We were talking about electric cars earlier. We've talked a few times about the upcoming truck, the Tesla truck. And we have some news about it, actually. We've seen some pretty wild renders at this point. A lot of people skeptical, some very excited. Of course, Elon, when he first was discussing it, showed off that little teaser at one point, said this is going to be ambitious, futuristic, and hopefully not look like what Will's showing us right now. Some of the renders are obviously having a bit of a laugh, bit of a joke. He says it's the most exciting product he's ever worked on, as you would say if you were the CEO of a company putting out products as rapidly as they are, particularly in automotive. His brother as well put out a tweet, which I thought was interesting. I am most excited for the Cybertruck. Than any Tesla product since the Model S. It's going to blow your mind. Triple emoji. I think the grammar's a bit off there because it was hard to read. I am most excited for the Cybertruck than. I am more excited for the... That's why I read it. Like, it should say more. Anyway, Kimball Musk, he's a busy guy as well. He's got the cowboy hat. His brother's Elon. How can he not be busy? His brother's got him busy.
Yeah.
He's farming and doing food, and he's got a whole different thing going on, as far as I know. Anyhow, he is tweeting in response to the initial tweet from Elon, putting a date on the release of the new Cybertruck. So we have news about this cyberpunk truck, or Cybertruck, I guess it's called now. That's what Elon just calls it. Here's the tweet. Cybertruck unveil on November 21st in LA near SpaceX rocket factory. Now, the speculation has begun that possibly that's a strategic move, and maybe the truck rolls out pulling a rocket or something. Towing a rocket.
Very cool.
But then again, people said the big rocket is elsewhere. It's not. It's like in Texas or something. I don't know where it is. But maybe they just get a small little makeshift small rocket, and it's in maybe a tiny rocket's in the bed of the pickup. That'd be cool. Or just towing it. That'd be fine as well. Or maybe there's none of that. Maybe it's just you got access to SpaceX and you're in LA and there's a lot of people there anyway. So maybe that's all you do. I'm excited for it. You know, I have a truck. Well, I like trucks. There's no real electric trucks that are out right now. There's some exciting stuff happening. We've seen some models, prototypes, and things like this. But this one, it just sounds like it's going to blow our minds. Everyone's telling us it's going to blow our minds. Maybe it's going to blow our minds.
What if it looked like this, though?
No, it ain't going to look like that.
No, would you get it, though?
If it looks like that, Kirk's the first one in line. I think most people agree it's going to look more like the thing next to that. So the reason people freaked out on the renders is because of the original leak. And it just showed that front weird line. And then people had to imagine what it might look like. And then also on top of that, we know that Elon and Tesla, they've been really into this idea of as much glass as possible with the windshield to give that open air feel. So what is the truck equivalent of that gigantic windshield? And I think that's why the renders started to look the way they do. Of course, he added the cyberpunk word and Blade Runner and all the rest of it, the stuff that gets me juiced up. And so now we're here. But who cares at this point? November 21st is not that far away, Will. We don't even need to do this render stuff anymore. We just sit and wait now for the event. It's going to be very exciting. November 21st. I don't think I can go to that, but who knows? Maybe we'll do a broadcast when the event happens.
Should ask Elon to send him over here.
Yeah, just bring it over here. You got more than one, don't you?
Bring the whole event over here.
Quick road trip. Bring it in the back of the Tesla Semi and just roll past.
Yeah.
We got a garage door, just
with the rocket.
Beautiful.
Too.
No, that would be too much special treatment, but anyhow, I'm excited nonetheless. He says it's his personal favorite, but he's saying great things about it. One thing I will say, Will, when you come out and make you put these words out there prior to your event, you're setting the expectation real high. And it's a lot to live up to, but if anyone can do it, he can do it. The other interesting point, starting price $49,000 supposedly. How? How? Tell me how, Will.
Yeah, it's very affordable. I think a lot of people will get it.
Yeah, Musk said Tesla is looking to ensure that the Cybertruck will be attainable for customers. His quote, "You should be able to buy a really great truck for $49,000 or less," he said. I don't know. I'm gonna be amazed if they can hit that.
Wait, 49 is the top? It's not starting price?
No, he said you should be able to buy a great truck for $49,000 or less. They'll have some that are more than that,
Oh,
but
okay.
he's
I thought he
suggesting
started with
their version at $49,000 will be a great truck.
Yes.
Yeah. You follow all that, Will?
Try it.
Yeah, it's tough. There's a lot of words here. It's a lot going on a typical day. It's a lot going on. Anyway, we'll wait and see. November 21st.
Exciting.
SpaceX HQ.